Wow, Anna, look at this hotel. It's huge.
I know, it looks like a palace.
I can't believe we are staying here tonight.
Me too. Everything looks so expensive and beautiful.
Are you excited?
Yes, but also a little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
Because today we're checking into the hotel in English.
That's true. But don't worry, I'll help you.
I hope the staff can understand my English.
Of course they can. Simple English is enough.
Really?
Yes, you don't need difficult grammar. Just speak slowly and clearly.
Okay, I'll try my best.
That's the spirit. Today we will learn useful English for hotels.
Sounds exciting. Let's go inside. Wow, this lobby is amazing.
Look at the giant chandelier above us.
It's so shiny and beautiful.
And listen to the music. It feels so relaxing here.
The floor is so clean, I can almost see my reflection.
This hotel feels very luxurious.
Everyone here looks elegant.
Don't worry about that. Just relax and enjoy the experience.
Okay, I'll try.
Look over there. That's the reception desk.
Oh no, it's our turn soon. My heart is beating fast.
Relax. Let's practice first.
Good idea. What should I say?
First, say, "Hello, we have a reservation."
Hello, we have a reservation.
Perfect. Then they may ask your name or passport.
Okay, I think I can do this.
Of course you can. Good evening. Welcome to the Royal Sky Hotel. How may I help you?
Hello, we have a reservation.
Of course. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Anna Lee.
Thank you. Let me check. Yes, I found your reservation. You booked a deluxe room for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you very much. Breakfast is included with your stay.
Oh, nice. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is served from 6:30 a.m. until 10:30 a.m. on the second floor.
Thank you.
Also, the hotel has a swimming pool, spa, and gym. They are open 24 hours.
Wow, that sounds amazing. We should try the pool later.
Here are your room keys. Your room is on the 18th floor.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Ah, we did it.
You're doing great, Anna.
Really?
Yes, you checked in successfully in English. Your English sounds very natural.
I can't believe it.
See, it wasn't difficult.
My hands were shaking a little.
That's normal.
But the staff was very kind.
Hotel staff usually speak politely and clearly.
That made me feel comfortable.
Good. That's why traveling is great for learning English.
I agree.
Wow, look at this elevator. The walls are made of glass.
Oh, wow. I can see the whole city outside.
Dubai looks beautiful at night. The lights are amazing.
This feels like a movie. I never want this moment to end. Wow, look at this room. This room is incredible.
The bed looks so soft and comfortable. And look at that giant window.
The city view is unbelievable. I can see tall buildings everywhere. And look at the bathroom.
It's bigger than my bedroom at home.
There's even a bathtub next to the window.
This hotel is crazy.
I feel like a celebrity right now.
Me too. Oh, look at this welcome basket.
Wow, free fruit and chocolates. That's so nice.
Luxury hotels do little things like this for guests.
Everything feels special here.
Anna, I'm getting hungry.
Me too. Should we order room service?
Great idea. More English practice.
Oh no, more English?
Relax, you're doing great.
Okay, let's try.
Just speak slowly.
Okay.
Hello, room service. How may I help you?
Hi, can I order some food, please?
Of course. What would you like?
I'd like one chicken burger and one pasta, please.
Certainly. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, one orange juice and one cola, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Your food will arrive in about 30 minutes.
Thank you very much.
The food smells amazing.
I'm starving now.
Let me try the pasta first.
How is it?
It's creamy and delicious.
My burger is really juicy.
Hotel food is expensive, but very tasty.
True. Eating while looking at the city lights feels so special.
This is one of the best travel experiences ever. I'll never forget this trip.
Anna, do you want to see the swimming pool?
Yes, let's go. Wow, this pool is beautiful. It's on the rooftop.
And look at the city view from here.
This is unbelievable.
The water looks so clear.
I wish we brought swimsuits right now.
Me too. Maybe tomorrow morning.
Good idea. I can already imagine swimming here at sunrise.
Ha, that sounds perfect. Anna, do you want to visit the hotel spa?
The spa. That sounds relaxing.
After all the walking today, I think we need it.
I agree. My feet are tired.
Mine too. Let's go downstairs.
Wow, this spa entrance looks beautiful. Everything smells so fresh and calm here.
And the music is so soft and peaceful.
I already feel relaxed.
Me too. This place feels magical. Welcome to the spa. How may I help you today?
Hi, we would like to use the spa, please.
Of course. Would you like a massage or just the relaxation area?
What do you recommend?
Our hot stone massage is very popular.
Yes, I want to try it.
Wonderful. Please follow me.
Wow, look at this room. The lights are so soft and warm.
And listen to the water sounds. It feels so peaceful.
I feel sleepy already.
Same here.
This chair is so comfortable. I could stay here all day.
Anna, this is one of the best hotel experiences ever.
I know. I feel so calm and happy right now.
Traveling and relaxing together is perfect.
Yes, this is a wonderful night in Dubai. Sam, thank you for helping me today.
You did all the hard work yourself,
But you encouraged me.
and you became more confident.
Yes, this morning I was scared to speak English. Now I feel much better.
That's amazing progress.
I learned many useful phrases today.
Like what?
We have a reservation. May I see your passport? Breakfast is included. And can I order some food?
Excellent. Simple English really works.
Exactly. Short English is powerful English.